Friend, welcome to the GK session. Today we will learn about chapter 23 cartoons. Okay, everyone excited? Let's quickly start the session. See the page here written match the characters to the cartoon shows. Left side there is characters names and in the right side cartoons from which they belong. So let's move to the first name, Wilma. Wilma is the character of the Flintstones cartoon. So you have to write 1 in the box of Flintstone, which is B. Let's see the history. What is the history of Wilma, character of Flintstone cartoon? Okay, Wilma Flintstone is a fictional character in the television animated series The Flintstones. Wilma is the red-headed wife of caveman Fred Flintstone, daughter of Pearl Slagopal and mother of Pebbles Flintstone. Her best friend is her next door neighbor Betty Robles. So children, Pearl Slaghope is mother, Ricky Slaghope is father, Mika Slaghope is sister. His spouse name is Fred Flintstone. Children are Pebbles Flintstone, that is daughter, and Stony Flintstone, that is adopted son. Okay, now move to the page. Our page. Okay, now this is second one. Didi. Didi is the character of Oogie and the Cockroaches cartoon. Very famous. Let's see the history of Oogie and the Cockroaches and Didi. See the picture of Didi. It is a cockroach. Didi is an ever hunger devour it all roach. Devour means who is always want to eat something, and roach is the nickname of cockroaches. So it is a cockroach who is always hungry. He is presumably the youngest of the roaches, as he acts somewhat childish and immature. He is also the most sensitive, as he is seen crying over food, the loss of his brothers, and even his failed attempts at appearing in an opera show with Black in one episode. His appetite sometimes reaches insane reasons, often resulting in the consumption of large animals or other things such as a hyena in one case and due to the effect of poisonous mushroom in other case, and insects. He has been tried to eat elephants. So children, you can understand how Didi is. Now move to the page. So Didi is the cartoon character of Oogie and the Cockroaches. So you have to write to next box of Oogie and the Cockroaches, that is E. Okay, next number 3, Shaggy. Shaggy is the character of Scooby-Doo cartoon. Let's see the history of Scooby-Doo and Shaggy. Oh yes, Normal Shaggy Rogers is a fictional character in the Scooby-Doo franchise. He is a cowardly slacker and the long-time best friend of his equally cowardly Great Dan. Like Scooby-Doo, Shaggy is more interested in eating than solving mysteries. So they are actual amateur detectives, but they are like his friend Scooby-Doo. Shaggy is also interested in eating than solving mysteries. Okay, now next option show children. You have to write Shaggy, that is character of Scooby-Doo series. So next to Scooby-Doo box you have to write 3. Now number 4, Dewey Duck. It is a character of DuckTales. See here children, in I there is DuckTales. You have to write 4 number instead here in the box. So Dewey Duck. What is the history of Dewey Duck? Let's see. Where is Dewey Duck? Yes. Hugh, Dewey, and Louis Duck are triplet cartoon characters created in 1937 by writer Ted Osborne and cartoonist Al Taliaferro and are owned by the Walt Disney Company. Hugh, Dewey, and Louis are the nephews of Donald Duck and the great nephews of Scrooge McDuck. Like their uncles, the boys are anthropomorphic white duck with yellow-orange bills and feet. They typically wear shirts and colorful baseball caps, which are sometimes used to distinguish them. Hugh, Dewey, and Louie have made several animated appearances in both films and the television, but comics remain their primary medium. The trio are collectively the 11th most published comic book character in the world and outside of the superhero genre, second only to Donald Duck. So they are very famous children by the way. Okay, move to the next. So for that we have to go to the page. Yeah, our page number 5. Gargamel is the character of cartoon The Smurfs. See children, in G number there is written The Smurfs. You have to write 5. Gargamel is the cartoon character of Smurf. Write 5 in the box of The Smurfs. Let's see who is Gargamel and what is the history of Gargamel. Gargamel is a fictional character from the Smurfs. He is an evil wizard, the sworn enemy of the Smurfs and the main antagonist in the show and comic books. His main goal in life is to destroy the Smurfs to turn them into gold. Okay, it is a negative character, no problem. Next is, okay, hope you written Gargamel number 5 in the Smurfs. Now number 6, Bubbles is the character of the Powerpuff Girls cartoon. See, A option is the Powerpuff Girls. You have to write 6 in the box because the number of bubble is 6. Okay, let's see more about Bubbles. Bubbles is one of the Powerpuff Girls and the deuteragonist of the Powerpuff Girls franchises. Her main ingredient is sugar, which reflects her sweet and upbeat personality. Hope you now understand about Powerpuff Girls. Okay, now 7th number, Chutki. It is famous cartoon character of Chhota Bheem. Let's see, I hope you all know about Chutki, but let's see, this is Chutki. You can see the picture of Chutki. Chutki is a young girl and the daughter of Tuntun Mashi, the laddu maker. Also, she leads the main female role in the series. She is Bhim's closest friend and assists him on their adventures. Sometimes Bhim relies upon her for solving any puzzle or difficult situation. So, she is an intelligent girl. Now children, Chutki is 7 number, so you have to write 7 in the box of Chhota Bheem. Okay, move to the 8th number option, that is Doggy Don. Is the character of famous cartoon Pakadam Pakadai. Doggy Don, who is Doggy Don? Let's see. Okay, Don is an anthropomorphic little pink dog who fight against the 3 mice named Charlie, that is Chotu, Larry, Lambu and Molly Motu. Charlie is the leader of Chuha party. So this is the character of Pakadam Pakadai series. You can see this is Doggy Don. Okay. So children, you have to, that Doggy Don is 8 number. So you have to write in the last Pakadam Pakadai box 8, number 8. Now number 9, Krish is the famous character of roll number 21 cartoon. That is number C. So you have to write, Krish is number 9. So you have to write 9 in the box of roll number 21. Krish, I think, let's see. The picture shows, this is the picture of Krish. Krish is a godly child mostly known as Neela Bandar by his friends and incarnation of Lord Krishna. He has appeared in Mathura Ananth Ashram to stop Kanishk and his evil plans. Krish stays as a normal student in the school but secretly changes into Krishna, the divine boy with mystical powers whenever it is needed. Very interesting. Now last one, I think, yes, 10 number, David Seville. David Seville is the character of Alvin and the Chipmunks cartoon. Let's see about David Seville. Children, see, 10 number is David Seville and the cartoon name is Alvin the Chipmunks, that is H. So you have to write 10 in the box of Alvin and the Chipmunks. What is... Oh, this is David Seville, the father of Chipmunks. Is a fictional character, the producer and manager of fictional singing group Alvin and the Chipmunks. The characters was created by Rose Bagdasarian and many more things. So you can see here that is David and it is Chipmunks. Okay, now children, go to the last option, not option, that is no with direct. Yeah, what's up, dog? Is the character phrase of one of the most recognizable cartoon characters in the world, Bugs Bunny. Bugs Bunny always said, yeah, what's up, duck? And what is that? Bugs Bunny is an animated cartoon character created in the late 1930s by Leo Salsinger production and voiced originally by Mel Blanc. Bugs is best known for his starring roles in the Looney Tunes and Merry Melodies series of animated short film produced by Warner Bros. So it is very famous character, Bugs Bunny. I also used to see this character. So children, hope now you know what is the answers and the cartoons. It is most famous chapter, I hope, for you. Bye, see you, take care.